Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why you shouldn't be involving politics in your business. Now this is a really important thing for business owners to know, because even though you get a couple of customers from supporting one political party and sort of selling their sort of paraphernalia to people, you're also going to be pissing off people the other side of the aisle, and that can have huge negative consequences for you. You might get people leaving reviews for your business that where they weren't even there, which will negatively affect you on Google and Facebook. You may have people who are basically attacking your business or doing a lot of damage. Now, this has happened a lot to businesses in the United States. I'm looking at like Trump, Biden, Harris. People who've run businesses have had their businesses vandalized. You've had people signed up to emails. Email subscriptions that they didn't want to be part of, so they've got like pornography appearing in their business emails. So you've got all of these kind of problems that are sort of cropping up purely because people have chosen to support one political belief. Now, recently, I noticed a situation online involving a streamer called Cutie Cinderella. She was on I believe it was a podcast, and she was dealing with something at home involving her trans stepbrother and her father, who didn't acknowledge him and his sort of opinions on things, and he wasn't talking. The stepbrother wasn't talking to the father, but she was happy to talk to the father. Now, this is actually a really volatile situation, which has resulted in her being attacked from all angles and absolutely savaged online by people who are, quite frankly, lunatics. That's to put it basically, but they have kept attacking her like relentlessly, and she's had to deal with a whole load of flack, to the point where she's made like an hour-long apology video, which is absolutely heart-wrenching to watch. Now, the reason it's heart-wrenching for me is because when it comes to people and their opinions, the only way to ever change somebody's opinion is by conversation, as Daryl Davis proved when he was going out and he was changing people within the Ku Klux Klan and getting them to leave the Klan. And this was an absolutely fantastic feat for the guy. So Daryl did an amazing job of persuading these people that, hey, I'm just another human being. And the only way he did that was through conversation. So when it comes to people like attacking this girl, they don't seem to realize that by shutting people off, by cutting them down, and by ripping them apart, it's not going to be conductive to them changing their opinions. It's not going to help change anyone's opinion. It's just people being angry for angry's sake. So when it comes down to it, you as a business owner do not want to have to deal with a situation like she's dealing with at the moment, having to make an apology video for offending people, when in fact all she's trying to do is live a normal life. But basically the moral of this story is that it is better to stay out of politics as a business owner, because you do not want to have to deal with the flack of all of these things going wrong. Anyway, definitely worth looking into if you want to see the repercussions of just having a normal opinion which conflicts with somebody's politics. So it's a very sort of precarious sort of zone to get into. So it is better to keep politics out of business, and where possible to keep personal and social things out of business as well. So by doing this and just keeping yourself strictly neutral online, you're not going to receive the levels of backlash. You will have more customers and things will be a lot easier. Anyway, hopefully this has helped you. You guys have a lovely day. Take care.